Good morning! Here's some fun facts about Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird is about to turn 2 on April 16th. Pretty Bird was incubated and hatched by us. Pretty Bird is terrified of the dark. And therefore he sleeps with a nightlight. Pretty Bird is also very clumsy, as you just witnessed. His favorite movie is Fly Away Home. Pretty Bird's favorite vegetables are broccoli, kale, and cucumbers. Pretty Bird's favorite thing to do is to go on walks and to splash in his big old garden tub. Another fun fact is that this is Pretty Bird's tub, and yes, it is the only garden tub in the house. Pretty Bird is extremely spoiled and gets what he wants when he wants it.